Oh crap. Alright, wait for me. I'm not doing good on this trail. You literally are better than me on this trail. I said I'm a chicken. Ah. Oh, shit.
Mommy, I love you! Oh my gosh!
Did you go down? That wasn't good.
Alright guys, so we found Gorman Trail here. We're exploring and we're gonna hit it, so.
Well, now hold on. There's two trails in Hungry Valley that are considered very difficult that we maybe should stay away from. It's Raven's Ridge and Gorman Trail. If you remember, we tried to go the other direction and you got stung by a bee and we chickened out and turned around after that.
Yeah.
I don't know what's gonna happen in this time. Maybe it's too early for us.
Yeah.
It's a real, from this direction, it's a really steep climb. A really steep climb until you get up to that ridge.
Okay. Like how
So we might be in for a lot of anguish.
this deep?
We'll find out. Wait up.
Hold on. I don't want to stop, right?
No, I don't want you to go too far without me. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, go until you can, I mean, when you get to a flat spot. Jeez, I can't even fit through here.
I'm in a flat spot.
Probably keep it at first. Keep it in the power band.
I'm in second right now, though.
Put it in first, I think. Can I go?
Yeah, it's falling apart.
Oh, crap. Alright, wait for me. I'm not doing good on this trail. You literally are better than me on this trail.
Because I'm trying to keep my, Tell me when you're getting close and you hear me.
No, just wait for me.
But I'm like on the side of a hill.
Damn.
I hear you. I'm gonna go.
Well, all right. Oh man, I do not like this.
I only got lucky on
That's a
my back.
chicken.
It is.
I said I'm a chicken.
Should I turn her off?
No,
Oh.
just don't go too fast. Don't get too confident over here. I don't know what's coming up.
Okay. It's really thin here, so. Watch out, it gets really thick. Could you hear me?
Yeah, I hear ya. I hear ya.
Alright.
You need to lower first gear. Ah,
Are you okay?
yeah. No traction.
Alright.
Dude, did we make it to the top?
Yeah.
Just hold on. I need to stop here and have a pre-celebration. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap.
God, did you see that lip that went straight up? Like, whoa!
No, I need to come out here without you and practice for a while.
I almost went back. My front tire was like this high in the air.
It's a bunch of bull, though. You're just scurrying up that like a mountain goat. Dude, I cannot.
You can see the freeway.
I can't ride this thing.
Yeah.
All right. It's a long trail, but I think that was the hard part. That's the only thing that had me scared.
Yeah, because you're going to go down this hill and go there.
Well, we're going to meet up with that later. That's the road.
Yeah,
But this should be beautiful up here. It should be beautiful. Lens clean?
Huh?
Is your lens clean?
Yeah, it was cool.
Oh, I feel so good now. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That was awesome.
I was scared for my life when my tire went up in the air. I'm shaking still.
Are you, yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, I went up there like an old man. I need a lower first gear. I was feathering the clutch the whole time. Let me get it started.
Hold on.
I'll stay a little closer. Don't go that far from me, all right?
All right.
Go. Remember, there's still going to be some areas with the ledge, so don't get cocky. Nice and safe. Nice and safe. Whoa.
Okay. Mommy, I love you. Oh my gosh.
Did you go down?
No. That was a steep hill.
Yeah. All right. All right, come.
I'll wait for you up here, all right? Do I need to?
Yeah. This is awesome.
I know. It looks like an animal was walking on this trail.
Oh, like those deer earlier. Look at that. We're like we're on the ridge.
I know, I'm so scared. Don't look over the edge.
Oh, you can see the lake over there.
Stop, I'm not looking over the edge.
Yeah, I'm putting. I'm going slow.
Don't you do it, Nacho. Oh my God.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
I'm going down this way.
Okay. Just don't stop. I gotta roll too. Yeah. You're carrying a tumbleweed. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Ignore it. Ignore it until you get to the top over there. Don't let it get in your head. Yeah. Now we're on the ridge. Wow. Wow. That's far down. Holy crap. Serious. Stand up when you can.
Oh man. Oh. I thought it was gonna be downhill for a second. This is where we got, right? Oh no, we didn't.
No. Yeah, you got rid of that tumbleweed too.
Oh.
All right, go. Nice.
Holy cow.
Oh, dude, you're ripping this thing up. So when we were going the other direction, no, I don't think we got this far. I don't remember where you got stung.
I think I got stung on that.
I don't think we made it this far from the other direction.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
All right, maybe we did. Maybe it was like right here.
Yeah.
That wasn't good.
What?
I was gonna try to do those whoops. And whiskey throttled it a little.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I lost balance. I need a lot of practice. Yeah, stand that bike up.
Here, this
Yeah! Yes!
I just drove over poop.
Coyote poop.
Oh, there's a lot of poop here.
All right, let's stop.
I feel so good. Are we gonna go down this here?
Yeah, hold on. Let's wait. Let's celebrate. I want to celebrate.
Yeah! Awesome!
Yes. Yeah, it was. We conquered it. We conquered it.
Yeah. Did you see that narrow part where it was like on the hill, like just like that?
See, in the video, all of that climb where all that lattice concrete was,
Yeah.
it was nice and clean.
Yeah.
It really psyched me out when I came around the corner and it was all ripped up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a hard time. I almost stalled it a bunch of times there. I stopped. It was terrible. And you were like a mountain goat.
Should I get onto the...
Maybe that's going to be your new nickname, the goat. The Billy Goat. All right. That doesn't mean we can do Ravens Ridge though.
Nah.
We need more hours.